Hi, this is Carl Fleming with MarineMax Stuart. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Scout 177 Sport. This boat's equipped with a 90 horsepower Yamaha on it. Boat runs great with that engine. Some of the features as the boat starting at the back here, we do have a storage box on either side. This boat has a lot of storage on it for a 17-foot boat. See under this helm seat here, there's storage for a big cooler there, and then you've actually got storage on either side, as well as some tackle boxes just slide right out there. This cushion and the backrest are removable, so if you are really fishing and want to have an open casting deck here, you can just pull them right out. Bimini top is a nice upgrade on this boat. Here at the helm, this boat does have 2 batteries on it, and it is pre-wired for a trolling motor. You can see both batteries are there, and it does have a 2-way switch, so you can control either 1 battery, 2 battery, or both. Fusion stereo with JL speaker upgrade. Adjustable steering wheel. Up in front of the console here, there's a good sized live well. You can see more JL speakers here. Nice open casting deck here, plenty of room. Again, we've got a trolling motor plug, so you're all pre-wired for that. More storage here, plenty of room for an anchor, and then there's a 5-gallon bucket that stores in there also. So again, my name is Carl Fleming with MarineMax Stuart. If you'd like more information on this boat, or if you'd like to schedule an appointment to see it, please give me a call. My number is 772-349-4178. Thanks.